Everyone says they are the best, but how do you compare contractors? Whether you are remodeling for a new look or replacing your roof, siding, or windows, investing in your home is sometimes a daunting, overwhelming task. Our customers tell us what often makes the task even more difficult is choosing the right contractor to do the work. Homeowners want expert planning, skill, and competence. And let's not forget reliability. We know when tearing apart your home and rebuilding it, you also want to be able to trust the people doing the work. At Sims Exteriors Remodeling, we understand this difficult step in your home improvement process. That's why we created the Apples to Apples Contractor Comparison. It allows you to collect specific information from contractors you are considering for your project, so you can compare how they approach your project on a point-by-point basis. We'd like you to use your Sims bid as the standard to judge the value of other quotes. By comparing contractors in this way, each activity, fixture, and quality control check is listed for your benefit. No matter who you choose to do the work, odds are you will be pleasantly surprised by the outcome. At Sims, we created a process designed to give our customers peace of mind throughout their home improvement project. And the process is designed to provide more transparency for customers and a superior outcome. After all, it's what your contractor does that is important, not just what is said. We want your project to be a success, and it starts with an apples-to-apples comparison. Call Sims to get your copy. Better home, better prices. Better call Sims.